A burglary turned into much more when the suspect got caught red-handed. It happened at a home on Rester Drive in Theodore this morning. Fox 10 News reporter Chastity Bird was on the scene within minutes after it happened.
Just after 9:30 this morning, police were called to a home on Rester Drive.
It's a burglary first degree. I mean, he entered the house with the intent to commit a crime while armed with a handgun.
Along with burglary, this case is also being treated as a robbery. The homeowner is out of town, so who caught the suspect? Police say the homeowner's sister. Police say the homeowner's sister was driving down the road and saw a car in the driveway, and since she knows her brother isn't home, she pulled in.
So she decided on checking on to see why there was a vehicle sitting in her driveway. And when she did, our suspect then was actually breaking into the house and removing items from the house.
Police say the suspect then pulled the gun on her.
And then he approached our female victim armed with a gun as she was sitting in her vehicle, and she just left the scene.
The suspect left as well. Police describe him as around 6 feet tall with a red shirt. He was driving a white Chevy Blazer. Reporting from Theodore, Chastity Bird, Fox 10 News.
Police are asking if you have any information on the incident, please give them a call right now.